Let's face it, we all love gadgets, but not the price tags. Lucky for us, Temu has some incredible products that are unique, practical, and surprisingly affordable. From gadgets to level up your home to tools you didn't know you needed, this list has something for everyone. Let's dive in. 1. USB clock fan. This isn't your average desk fan. While it keeps you cool, it also displays the time with LED lights on the spinning blades. Sounds crazy, right? It plugs right into your laptop or power bank, making it perfect for your workspace or even on the go. It's functional, fun, and definitely a conversation piece. Who wouldn't want a fan that tells time? 2-pot LED desk lamp. If you're looking for modern lighting, the LED desk lamp is it. Its sleek, minimalistic design makes it perfect for your desk. The adjustable brightness levels let you go from focused task lighting to a softer, more relaxed glow. Plus, it's energy efficient, so you don't have to worry about skyrocketing electricity bills. It's practical, stylish, and fits into any room effortlessly. 3. LED nightstands. Let's talk about a nightstand that doubles as a mood light. These LED nightstands are not only functional but also super stylish. They come with customizable lighting options, so you can set the perfect ambiance for your room. Need a soft glow to read at night? Done. Want a vibrant color to match your vibe? It's got that too. Some models even include charging ports, making them as practical as they are cool. 4. Introducing the Antenna LED flame speakers. Enjoy IPX5 water resistance for worry-free outdoor use. With true 360° stereo sound, it fills the room from every angle. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.0, your connection is faster and more stable. Watch the dancing flames create a cozy atmosphere, making it the perfect gift. Plus, connect 2 speakers to one phone for even bigger sound. Five, phone stand speaker. Ever tried watching a video on your phone only to struggle with holding it up? This portable phone stand speaker solves that problem while giving you great sound quality. It props up your phone and amplifies the audio, making it perfect for streaming movies, Zoom calls, or listening to music hands-free. It's compact, lightweight, and super easy to carry around, so you can take it anywhere. 6. Levitating plant pot. This gadget is straight-up magical. The levitating plant pot literally floats in midair using magnetic technology. You can grow a small plant or even just use it as a decorative piece, but either way, it's guaranteed to catch attention. It's perfect for your desk or shelf and adds a futuristic, minimalistic touch to your space. Plus, watching it slowly spin in the air is surprisingly calming. 7. Introducing the multifunction bottle opener. It opens jars, water bottles, pop cans, liquor bottles, and even beer bottles. With a built-in cap catcher for easy cleanup, this tool is all you need in the kitchen or on the go. Simplify your life with one opener that does it all. Eight, LED visor glasses light. Okay, picture this. Futuristic sci-fi looking glasses that actually light up. These LED visor glasses aren't just cool, they're versatile too. Use them for parties, festivals, or even just to stand out on social media. They come in multiple colors and patterns, so you can switch up the look to match your mood. 9. Indoor fire pit tabletop. Ever wanted a cozy fireplace vibe without the hassle? The indoor fire pit tabletop brings that to life. Perfect for your coffee table, desk, or even your patio. This mini fire pit uses clean burning fuel, so there's no smoke, no mess, and it's completely safe indoors. Imagine having your friends over and lighting this up during a game night or date night. It's a total conversation starter. Plus, it adds a warm, ambient glow that's hard to resist. Oh, and did I mention it's portable? Move it around wherever you need that cozy vibe. 10th. Reading lap pillow. This lap reading pillow features a supportive armrest design, a large side pocket for easy access to books or makeup, and a soft, cozy pillow cover. So there you have it, 10 awesome gadgets from Temu that are affordable, practical, and just plain cool. Whether you're looking to upgrade your space, simplify daily tasks, or just add a bit of fun to your life, these gadgets have you covered. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to check out our next video for even more mind-blowing gadget finds. Want to grab any of these gadgets? Check the links in the description below and hit that subscribe button.